Alright everybody, so I'm here to preview to everybody the PSFreedom jailbreak running on the second generation iPhone. Here's OpenIBoot, as you can see, second gen iPhone, aluminum back. This is my PlayStation 3. Let me just validate that the wire is connected straight to the from the PlayStation to the TV. That's from HDMI. Follow the cable. Same cable is the same cable, it's just I can't zoom. And it goes in over here. Again, follow the cable with my hand. Keep following. There's the loop. It loops around there. Goes back into the PlayStation. Right. So now, first thing that you have to do is to cycle to the OpenIBoot console and hold the home button. When you hold the home button, the Linux kernel is going to start to boot. This generally takes around 30 to 45 or so seconds. I'm just gonna, sorry for the jitter. Just gonna boot that. At a point it's gonna start saying init. Like now, you gotta cycle the console from the back. Power switch. You push power, then eject. If you have a disk inside, it's just gonna spit it out. You're gonna start seeing messages appear on the console of the iPhone if it worked. Seems to be working. None of that stuff's important, it's just messages, mostly for the dev guys know what they're doing. PlayStation's booting up. And there you have it. Let me grab my controller over here, and as you can see, Backup Manager is installed, and you have the debug feature of installing package files. I already installed Backup Manager, but I do have my external drive over here next to me, so I'm just going to plug that in and preview preview how you install the packages. I'm going to delete the one that's currently installed to prove that the exploit really does work. I'm deleting that. Yes, I want to continue. Okay, delete completed. I've got a blur demo, nothing too fancy. Manager.pkg, it's installing that, and it's done. There you should see Backup Manager again. Yes, it does run, and from what I see, you can rip any games you have. This is my copy of Need for Speed Shift, so no piracy involved. Not that I condone it. Load that in, and we'll start Backup Manager. Loads just as any other PlayStation application would. There's no jingle though, they took that out. Just a little thing that makes you not feel guilty. Those are from how I tried to back up once before. You can load it. This is the previous backup. I'm just going to delete that. Yeah, I want to delete that game. Deleting it off the drive. And to back it up, you just push the circle button. Get that over there. And it'll tell you if that you own the game, and this is for personal use only so that nobody loses money in the whole shebang. You just click yes. And it starts backing up. Here's the drive's indicator LED. It's blinking a violent orange-green that would make any normal human being go into a seizure. And there you have it. I mean, I'm not going to make you guys watch the whole backup process, but it works. It's very basic, and you can only use this with iPhones 2G and 3G. And that's about it. I guess you leave the thing plugged in next to the PlayStation and hope for the best. It's fair enough, I'd say. Alright, thanks for watching. This is PragmaDev with the new iPhone PlayStation exploit. Yeah, there we go. Sounds cool.